Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a real estate and property sales WordPress website. With the help of this theme, you will be able to get up and running a real estate business offline market which you have on your offline market to the social presence, right? With the help of this, you will be able to create your own website related to real estate, right? And the best part about this theme is that you can easily edit and see everything whatever you want to see, because let me show you the sales page, then you will get a rough idea that what you can do with this theme, because this theme consists of multiple demo sections also, so that you can install the demo section and you will get the up and running layout, and you just have to change the layout according to your property needs. As you can see, you get a custom search bar, the property listing and the property listing also, and the amazing looking footer as well. So today we are going to install this theme on our WordPress website in very easy steps. Let me demonstrate you how you can do that. First of all, you need to buy this theme. Either you can buy it from the official website, or if you want to buy it, you can always get it to any one of the GPL website and you can buy it from there as well. It's totally upon you where you want to buy it. So once you have bought the theme and the theme files are on your system, the next step is to install that particular theme on your WordPress website. Okay, so today I will use this as my demo website. As you can see, this is the fresh WordPress installed on my demo domain. So today we will install it here. First of all, you need to log in to your dashboard, type WP admin, and if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress. Just put that credential and you will be redirected to this page which you are seeing right in front of you. Okay, so this is basically the backend or the dashboard. I will give you a quick description about what are there in the left hand side. So if you want to change the general setting of the website, reading setting or writing setting, or if you want to enable disable the comment section on each post, you can change it from here. And if you want to change the permalink are basically the structure of your URL. You want the URL with the dates or without the dates, you can do that. Okay, under the tool section you will be getting import tool, export tool. You can check the site health and everything and all that. Under the user section you will be able to create user and you can delete user, and the most important aspect, you can assign multiple user as well. If you want to create multiple admin, you can do that. You want to create multiple author, you can do that. Okay, easy steps. And with the help of plugin, you will be able to add some extra functionality in your website. So there are a lot of free plugin and paid plugin also. We will talk about that in later on. Okay, under the appearance hood you will find themes, customize. You can customize the theme, widget, menu and background customization, everything. Okay, so today we are going to deal with the theme section, which is under the appearance hood. Go on appearance and click on theme. And as you can see, the RealtyElite has been uploaded on my website. I will just show you how you can upload it. As you can see, it is not activated. I will just show you how you can upload and activate it. Click on add new. And by default, as you can see, WordPress provide you n number of free theme. As I can show you, it has over 4,000 free themes which has been provided by WordPress for you. But there must be some kind of difference, right? Because paid theme are so much expensive and free theme literally they are free, right? So what are the difference between the free and paid theme? Let me explain you. Free theme are not that much flexible when it comes to designing. Their responsiveness is not good. Their designing perspective, they're so hard to edit. Like if you want to design header and footer, you can't do that, right? You can do that, but there must be some kind of complexity. They are not easy to design, right? And when it comes to premium theme conversion rates are pretty high. When it comes to AdSense, when you are running a blog website and you want to do the AdSense thing, their conversion rates are pretty high, and their mobile responsiveness are amazing all the time. Okay, so I hope you get the quite a small difference between what I'm talking about. So you need to upload your theme, which is downloaded on your system. Choose file. Here is my file. I will just upload it. So this will start the uploading process. It totally depend upon your internet speed. I'll just not upload. As I showed you, it has been already uploaded on my theme. I'll just activate it. Super simple. Okay, click on activate and it will be activated. As you can see, it has been activated, but now it is showing some kind of notification to us. So basically it is asking us to install some kind of recommended plugin. So what are recommended plugin? So basically a theme consists of multiple functionalities. Okay, and each and every functionality totally depends upon on certain plugins, and if that particular certain plugin is missing out from your theme, then that particular functionality won't work properly. So it's always recommended that whenever a theme suggests you to install some kind of certain plugin, never ignore those messages. Okay, always install those particular plugins. Click on being activate. Because I have already installed those themes, I don't need to install it again. But if you are installing it, you just need to select all bulk action and install. Once the installation is completed, you need to activate those plugins. But I always suggest you do not activate from this section. Always go to plugin and install, because this section takes a lot of time. Click here bulk action, activate and apply. This will save a lot of time of yours, trust me. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, it has been activated on couple of seconds. Okay, so now our next step is to first of all, let's see how our website looks right now. It must be pretty pity to be very honest. There must be nothing. Okay, as you can see, there is nothing at all. We will install a demo content on our website. Okay, first of all, just go to Unison, and here we have to click on backup and demo content. Okay, now as you can see, they ask for backup and demo, and now there is a section called demo content installer. Come here and you have to click on install. So now the demo content installation process will be starting. As you can see, wait for a couple of seconds and the pop-up will appear in front of you. Okay, as you can see, demo content installation has been started. It will take a couple of minutes or 10 to 20 minutes. Just wait for it. Go grab a coffee and the whole website will be imported on. So as you can see, demo content has been installed perfectly on our website. Let me scroll down and let me show you what it is. As you can see, everything has been imported successfully and everything is looking super amazing. If you go to the property pages, you will see that all the property has been listed in a well organized manner. Like you can see everything, right? And if you want to open any kind of property page, like this is the listed property, then you will see first of all they will show the property images, and if you scroll down, then you will see the description about the images, what is the type, in what year the property was built, how many parking there are, bedrooms, and orientation, area size. Everything is listed on a perfect manner, and images are also organized in a beautiful manner. If you scroll down, you will see everything. And the best part about this theme is it is also mobile responsive. As you can see, everything is so much organized in the mobile view also, because nowadays mobile view is most important aspect of a website, right? So I hope you really get the concept of this real estate theme, and I hope you really like this video. I want to wrap this video up by saying, if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.